How to fix sound problem on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you're having various sound problems on TikTok, what you can do is, first of all, go to settings. After you do that, go to apps, app management. From here, it will take you to all the apps you have on your device. Simply search TikTok. After you do that, go to storage uses. From here, you can clear cache. Now, tap on force stop. After you force stop it, what you can do is you can uninstall TikTok and reinstall it, or if the app is not updated, you can update it. After you do that, in the end, restart your device and see if your problem has been fixed. So this is how you can fix sound problems on TikTok. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope the video was helpful to you and see you in the next one.